Have you ever thought of selling physical products on Amazon or using Amazon's other platform to make money? In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 different ways you can make money on Amazon. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Saj, and on this channel, I create content relating to money, mindset, and hustle. Okay, so let's rock and roll. The first opportunity on Amazon is called Amazon to Amazon Flips. Amazon to Amazon Flips is the easiest option you can get started with because it almost provides you a guarantee of making profit. In simple words, you buy products on Amazon to then flip or resell them back on Amazon platform. It's as easy as that. We all know how big Amazon as a company is, which means that they have a big buying power, and hence whenever they run any special deals, you can be sure that it's going to be a deeply discounted deal either by Amazon or it's been subsidized by a manufacturer to attract more customers to their brand. This gives you an awesome chance to make some quick profit by flipping the same product back on Amazon. Now the question is, where do you find those deals? Well, there are several ways to find these deals on Amazon, along with several softwares and alerts that you can place on Amazon's website. However, the easiest one to look at it is the daily deal session, where Amazon runs several deals every day. Apart from that, there are also some big days like Black Friday deals, Amazon's Prime Day deals, where you can actually buy lots of stuff. The thing you have to always remember is whenever you buy items to flip back on Amazon, you buy items which are well-known brands and not a third-party brand. So the second way to make money on Amazon is retail or online arbitrage. Now retail or online arbitrage is exactly same as flipping, but the only difference being that you are not scouting for deals on Amazon, you are scouting deals from high street retailers either in-store or on their website. Major retailers run in-store or online deals all the time, which gives you this opportunity to flip those products back on Amazon and make profit. Now the items that you're looking out to buy are just generic items that you usually look on the shelves, like toys, electronics, computing products. In this method, all you do is keep an eye on the sales session or heavily discounted items which are being discontinued or being taken off the shelf, because as a retailer they have to keep replenishing new items, which means they have to keep discounting the old items which they have very limited stock of, which gives you an amazing opportunity, as I said earlier, to flip back on Amazon platform. So to give you an example, if you're based in the UK, you're looking at retailers like Asda, Tesco, M&S, John Lewis. If you're in US, you're looking at Target, Walmart. There are various softwares and Chrome extensions which will allow you to scan those products when you're in store as well and instantly show you how much profit you can make. The third one on the list is private labeling. Now private labeling is a completely different way of selling on Amazon. This involves finding factories and manufacturers abroad or in your own country to then produce the goods, your own brand name, your own packaging, and then sell them back on Amazon. Private labeling involves a lot of effort in the beginning because you have to try and get samples from various factories, test them out. Once you're happy with one of the samples, then you have to do the branding, packaging. You have to ship them back. Most of the products that you see on Amazon are either manufactured in China, India, or the countries where the labor is cheaper. So you would be importing in products from abroad, tax, import duties and stuff like that. And the list doesn't end there. Because it's a new product, no one knows about that product. So you'll have to promote your products via blogs, pay-per-click ads on Amazon, or external ads. However, private labeling gives you a chance to grow your business to an unlimited level because there are no restrictions or limited amount of products on offer from any retail stores. You are in control of how big this business can be. Private labeling also gives you a chance to exit your business with a big amount of cash. So if you're someone who likes watching Shark Tank, say in the US, you must have seen these entrepreneurs come with a 3 years projection, because that's where most of these dragons would want to know if they can exit the business by selling the business off. If you look at the website Empire Flippers, which lists businesses for sale, there are a lot of Amazon businesses for sale, and the businesses that are at least 1 year old are usually sold between 25 to 35x their monthly net income. So exiting a business with a huge amount of cash is only possible in private labeling, but not in flipping or retail or online arbitrage. On number 4, we've got affiliate marketing via Amazon Associates program. If you're someone who doesn't like getting involved in physical product business, then this one is for you. It involves placing links to products that are being sold on Amazon to earn a commission. The easiest example would be a lot of tech review channels on YouTube that do unboxing and reviews of various products on Amazon. In each of these videos, if you look at the description, they would leave special links which are the direct link to Amazon. When someone clicks on that link and buys on Amazon, they get a small commission for referring a customer to Amazon's website. Now these percentages could be between 3 and 10. Now with the Amazon's ecosystem, not only you can refer and earn commission on physical products, but you can also earn commission for referring customers for their services like Amazon Prime, Amazon Audible, etc. On number 5, I've got something really cool for those creative entrepreneurs. Merch by Amazon is a platform that allows you to submit your designs, which can be then printed on t-shirt, mugs, hoodies, phone cases. And the beauty about this platform is it doesn't cost you a penny. It's a platform where you can submit your designs that you can design in apps or free to use and simple websites like Canva. All you do is create your artwork in a form of a JPG or PNG, and then you upload that onto their platform, which then allows you to select the products that you want to put that items on. But if and when a customer buys that product on Amazon's website, for example a t-shirt, Amazon would print it, ship it, and you get a royalty for that. Just like a publisher has to pay to authors for the sales of the book. Now you can always rely on Amazon's organic traffic that generates sales, but there are different ways. If you are passionate about a particular niche, you can have an Instagram page or a TikTok account where you can promote these items and send customers directly to the Amazon page. I hope this class has helped you in educating different ways you can make money on Amazon. That's all for this class. I hope to see you in the next